Welcome back to HM Architecture. Today I will walk you through a beautiful, well organized 2 BHK house plan measuring 30 by 40 feet. We will move step by step from the entrance towards each section of the house. As we enter from the front gate, the first area on the right side is the parking. It measures 9 feet 7 inches by 14 feet 7 inches, suitable for one car, with direct access to the inside of the house. Moving forward, in front of the entrance, we have a fresh open lawn around 9 feet 4 inches by 5 feet. This green space gives a warm welcome to the home, perfect for morning tea, evening sitting, or enjoying fresh air. Stepping inside from the lawn side, we enter the drawing room, which is 9 feet by 10 feet 1 inch. This space is used for guests, keeping the privacy of the house maintained and separate from the family area. On the left side of the drawing room, we find the kitchen, a spacious cooking and dining place sized 9 feet 5 inches by 15 feet 4 inches. It provides enough room for cabinets, preparation, and a small dining setup for the family. Connected to the kitchen, there is an open wash or utility area measuring 5 feet 9 inches by 7 feet 5 inches, perfect for washing, laundry work, and helping in kitchen tasks. Moving further inside, we enter a large hall, the main living area of the home. This central space is 22 feet 11 inches by 10 feet 5 inches, ideal for family gatherings, TV time, kids' play, and daily living comfort. On the right side of the hall, near the staircase, there is a bathroom sized 5 feet by 4 feet, easily accessible for guest and hall usage. Just beside this bathroom is the staircase area, giving access to future floor expansion or storage if required. Now, at the back side of the house, on the right, we have the first bedroom. Its size is 11 feet 5 inches by 12 feet 6 inches, with an attached bathroom measuring 5 by 7 feet, making it a private and convenient personal room. On the left side, we have the second bedroom, same size 11 feet 5 inches by 12 feet 6 inches. Below this room, there is another bathroom size 5 feet 3 inches by 4 feet 6 inches, perfect for family use. Between these two bedrooms, there is an open space or ventilation area measuring 5 by 5 feet 2 inches. This helps in natural lighting, airflow, and keeps rooms refreshed. Overall, this 2 BHK house layout is very balanced and family friendly. With two bedrooms, one spacious hall, drawing room, a large kitchen with utility, parking area, and green lawn, the design is practical, comfortable, and modern for daily living. Thank you for watching this walkthrough. For more house plans, 2 BHK designs, architecture ideas, and layouts, don't forget to subscribe to HM Architecture. Like, comment, and stay connected. See you in the next video.